Welcome to our video on electromagnetic radiation. Today we'll explore the fascinating world of electromagnetic waves, diving into their definitions, types, uses, and applications, while comparing their wavelengths, frequencies, and energies. Electromagnetic waves are oscillations of electric and magnetic fields, traveling through space at the speed of light. They are essential in a wide range of applications, from communication to healthcare. Let's begin with the electromagnetic spectrum, which encompasses the entire range of electromagnetic waves. At one end, we have long-wavelength, low-frequency waves, like radio waves. These waves are ideal for broadcasting and communication because they can travel long distances and penetrate through obstacles with ease. Moving up the spectrum, we encounter microwaves, used for cooking and certain types of communication, as in Wi-Fi and radar systems. Next, we have infrared radiation. With shorter wavelengths than microwaves, infrared waves are primarily used in remote controls, thermal imaging, and night vision equipment. Visible light, the only part of the spectrum perceptible to the human eye, follows infrared. It's crucial for everything from photosynthesis to filmmaking. Ultraviolet radiation, with its even shorter wavelengths, comes next. While prolonged exposure can damage biological tissues, UV radiation is essential in sterilization and the production of vitamin D in our bodies. X-rays, with even shorter wavelengths, have high energy, making them perfect for imaging in the medical field. Finally, at the spectrum's far end, we have gamma rays. These possess the shortest wavelengths and highest frequencies and energies, used in cancer treatment and sterilizing medical equipment. To contrast, as wavelength decreases across the spectrum, frequency and energy increase. Longer wavelengths, like radio waves, have lower frequencies and energy, whereas shorter wavelengths, like gamma rays, exhibit higher frequencies and energy levels. In conclusion, electromagnetic radiation is vital across diverse fields. Its applications are determined by the properties of wavelength, frequency, and energy. We hope this video has clarified your understanding of electromagnetic waves and their significant role in the world around us. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.